Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now, a little Vauxhall Corsa. The damper has gone in, so she's gone right down. So yeah, I've wire brushed and put some oil on the threads there. So 2 bolts there, 1 bolt there, there's a nut top, that'll come out. The spring itself is fine, isn't that old really. So I'll take it apart, change the spring over and the like top and the wash shells, etc. And put it back really. Probably not as simple as it sounds anyway, but there we go. On these GMs then, GM America, General Motors, they owned Vauxhall when we made these anyway. So the bolts now, that side will be like 18, that side will be 17, or way around. So the reason they did that is so you only need 1 set of sockets or 1 set of spanners to actually repair them. So you can get your 17 socket put on, get your 18 socket put on, and get your bar, well, your T-bar and your ratchet and your fine then, or a set of spanners. You just get 1 of each and it'll fit really. Quite good idea really. Only thing is a bit annoying, you need so many spanners now. So the anti-roll bar linkage now actually has 2 flats ground into the taper itself from behind. So you can slip 17mm spanner put now, and then 18 the nut is. Okay, so that holds it from turning this round and around. Sure you can see it down here. You can see the 2 flats ground into it there for putting a spanner onto, so it doesn't turn round and round. So that's it changed over. You need a couple of these just to take the pressure off it really while you're taking nut off and swapping around really. Same make and all I'd say, but this I'm sure the driver's side had a new one, new replacement, well, good few years ago now, but it's the same one that's gone again. I don't think I've changed this link. There's a bit of wear play in it, so I got a new one just in case, so I'll change it over now. Biggest thing is this bottom bit, nut has never come off. This has been taken off before to change for, so yeah, this could be new really. Could have been on it from new, this one, bottom one. I'm doing it now before putting a new damper in, so I have a bit more room around here. Now that was a job to get it started off. I could only get this in just a little bit there, and this tried to actual anti-roll bar self tried to flex down instead of a nut turning, so but I managed to get to the end. We just have a little bit of thin tractor power shift gearbox out oil, so I'm putting on the threads as I'm going, so it won't seize up as bad next time, and hopefully it won't be next time, but yeah, see, you know, this goes there, yeah. Oh yeah, and you have like a big wash shell. Only thing that holds this is you take one nut off and this big washer comes off. There's a big hole there, and yeah, it's just that nut that holds it. And you have a hole in there for Torx or Allen key. Not sure about this. Yes, I think it's Torx in this new one. You take this off, you would put your Torx in there, then use a spanner when to slacken off. But this is new now and it's going back on. I've boiled it up already, so I can just tighten like that. No worries about it turning around with you. Just a final tighten now. The old damper had collapsed into itself. So you see this new one with a bit of spring in it. So I'm using a trolley jack underneath the bottom wishbone, jack it up until this lines up. I've jacked it up now. I've taken the stand out the way there, and I put the wheel back on now. On the ground now to do the final tighten with a bar. I actually have a back spring to change again because the very bottom, I just like where it comes in smaller, that's broken off. So I got 1 hose row, and I got a filter and oil for it. But I need to give it a good run, run around the block then, and get nice hot, get basically all the rubbish to drain out when I drain it. So a couple of other jobs, but I leave it for today then. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.